I am Cascada the second. Hi, I am Cascada, and this is my background dancer Natalie. She is fantastic. She is really doing a great job when I'm singing on stage. And this is my background singer, Carl Pritt. Carl, could you please sing for all the people? You see, I got the authority. I'm the one who's talking trash all the time. And I had this fabulous burger with the onions. I know what she does. Okay, honestly, Frank, honestly, we are sitting at the airport and we've got a delay of maybe 10 hours here in London. After she did the TV show exactly like this. And yeah, we're feeling boring, and that's why we are
We
making
wanted
these
to do
boring
another
videos.
video. So we hope you're not sleeping.
Take care, all you guys.
Bye.